Used 200 litre working capacity stainless steel powder ribbon mixer, built in 2019, complete with mobile lockable wheels, pneumatic discharge valve, given a discharge height of 600mm from the chute or 750 from here if you take the chute off and replace it with a grid. Complete with automatic stop timer, so you can set it for 10-15 minutes, whatever, and it'll stop when that 15 minutes is up. This is the opening and closing of the flap, of course, when it's got compressed air attached to it. Compressed air goes in there. 4 kilowatt worm drive gearbox motor. Stainless steel gas assist for opening. It's got a bag rest, so you can rest a sack on there, run a Stanley knife down it, tip it upside down and open the product like that. This comes away for cleaning. There you see the ribbon shaft system, where we have an outer ribbon angled in one direction and the inner ribbons angled in the other direction, so it's blending that way as well as that way. So it's a quick, efficient mixing system. Safety interlock on the lid. As soon as the lid opens, it switches off. 2019, all stainless steel ribbon mixer for powders, granules, available now.